as they say, all good things must come to an end. So this is our last tune coming up. We played this tune at All City Jazz back in January as well. But as soon as we handed it out, the kids really kind of dug it. It's a jazz waltz, which you don't see too often. And it's like kind of roped into the Game of Thrones theme. It features trombone section, as well as Quentin on the tenor saxophone. Give Quentin some love over here. Okay, so Quentin, I got it. I'll move it towards you, okay, when we get in time to solo. Okay, so thank you so much for coming out and listening to the Jazz Workshop. We had a blast performing here today. We hope you enjoyed yourselves too. All right, this is Game of Bones. Thank you so much. You guys can have a seat. Why don't you guys go backstage, put your instruments back in cases, we'll grab your folders and stuff like that. The next combo should start heading to the stage and getting ready to get set up. And then jazz ensemble, your next set is going to be shortly after that, so just be ready to go.